Hello everybody, I want to show you with this video how you can insert a microSD card at the Samsung Galaxy A05s. For that you will need next to the phone the SIM ejection tool, and it's part of the box if you've put it back after inserting the SIM card. So here's been the phone in previously, and here you should find the SIM ejection tool. So just release it. Otherwise, if you cannot find it, by the way, you can use also of course the edge of the good old paperclip. Okay, and if you have the phone like this, you will find now on the side of the phone the SIM tray. And a part of the SIM tray is a small hole in there, and now you will need the edge of the SIM ejection tool or the paperclip. So just enter this hole, press a bit, and the SIM tray will come out. At this SIM tray, you're able to insert next to the main SIM card also a second SIM card and a microSD card. So this video is about a microSD card, so let's go forward to insert now the microSD card. So it's pretty tiny everything, so take care that nothing jumps out, and this is how it should look like then at the end. So it just fits like that, and of course you can use also the microSD card with two SIM cards, is also possible, and the contacts they are below. Okay, if you're ready with it, just put your construction back into the SIM slot. Be carefully that nothing jumps out. Shake it a bit in case. Okay, and that's it. I hope I could help you with this video and answer a question. And maybe if you want, you can leave me a nice comment or give me a thumbs up. That would be very helpful for my videos. Thank you so much for. And I've created also some other videos if you're interested in with some more tips and tricks and so on, like how to transfer now the data from the internal storage to the microSD card and so on. And yeah, you can also subscribe me to don't miss a new video. Thank you so much for your support, and maybe the next time. Ciao.